All right, reality is kicked in and it's time to get back to work. Well, not only do we have to get back to work to pay all this debt, but a lot of people were sitting at home for 2.5 years pretending to work. Not to say that there aren't a lot of hardworking people from home, but so where are we with our GDP? Well, we had a lot of robust GDP growth last year, printed 7% in the fourth quarter, and then boom, things really dropped off. And we ended up having 2 quarters of contraction. First quarter GDP print was a negative 1.6, second quarter 0.6. 2 quarters of contraction is the definition of a recession. So we had a very mild recession. Now we popped back up to 2.6. I don't get too caught up in one quarter to the next because things can get pulled forward, pushed back. I think you will see that probably fourth quarter will start trending back down. I don't know if it will be a contracted number, but I think it will be weaker than third quarter. And you can see this by looking at the US ISM manufacturing PMI index. This tracks the health of the manufacturing sector. The lower one tracks the health of the service sector. 50 is the important line on this graph, folks. Anything above 50 means expansion. Anything below 50 means contraction. As you can see, coming out of COVID, this nice big growth in manufacturing. Now it's headed down and it's just above contraction, the neutral point. ISM, still in expansion, but again, coming off.